Hi, welcome to another weekly video communication. My name is Sam Jones. I'm the Dean of Students here at Sacred Heart, and today I have freshman Jackson Beeler joining me. On Monday, we are going to have a dress down day that benefits Stuco's hospital project. On Tuesday, first grade is going to be attending Runge Nature Center on their field trip. Wednesday, we have an extra busy day. We've got a blood drive going on, and we have kindergarten roundup, and we have sixth graders attending our vocation day as well. Thursday is going to be an early out with a 1 p.m. dismissal, and we will also have STEM night that night. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. We have Jackson here to tell you a little more about that.
The Sacred Heart School STEM night will begin in the cafeteria at 5:30, where pizza will be served. The activities will start on the third floor at 6 o'clock. Dean Jones will have live dissections performed by the Sacred Heart Dual Credit Anatomy class. Miss McAllister and Miss Kutas will be building spaghetti bridges. Miss Hagabush will be doing dry ice experiments. Miss Plummer and Miss Saboski will be doing breakout boxes. And Miss Messina's Room 1 will be doing 3D printing in the East Computer Lab. And Miss Messina's Room 2 will be doing coding and Legos. We want to see you at STEM night.